Hi, it's Tim at Engine Factory. We just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1963 Impala. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the 350 Chevrolet late model block, one-piece rear main seal, 4-bolt main. Engine block painted to black with the brass freeze plugs, proper oil pan, the 63 Impala. AFR aluminum cylinder heads, all the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft. It's real nice Chevrolet valve covers, powder coated in the gold with a matching air cleaner and breather. Aluminum intake manifold, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, extra water coolant ports if needed for any sensors, quick fuel carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball, and bracket for the customer's 700 R4 trans. Distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil. Small cap distributor, real important on the 63 Impala for firewall clearance right there. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the customer's 700 R4 trans. Proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter. Chrome dipstick and tube. It's real nice red Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. High flow fuel pump. All the braided fuel lines customer wanted. The red AN fittings. Customer requested the fuel pressure gauge. We installed that for him with the chrome fuel line. Manifold vacuum fittings are installed. Braided PCV ventilation line. PCV valves installed. It's real nice Raptor pulley kit, self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, AC compressors on there, high flow aluminum water pump, reverse rotation, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, GM power steering pumps installed. Every engine is live run at the engine factory and fully tested for over 45 minutes. You're going to get a video of your engine running in a stand. Water temperature reading, manifold vacuum, oil pressure cold and hot, timing will be set, carburetor mixture screws fully dialed in and tuned, ready to go. So again, this is our 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey engine, ready to go. Thanks for watching.